Good evening, guys. This is Sean from Tandem Explorers. This is my daughter Gracie May.
Hi.
We're here in Blackpool Town Centre to see the fireworks. Are you looking forward to it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Claire's at home with the family, having some good time. Say hi to Claire.
Hi, Claire.
Hi. And hi everyone else. It is absolutely rammed. If I can, no, I can't turn the camera around just yet, but I will show you videos of how many people are on the promenade tonight. It is absolutely crazy. And also Britain's Got Talent here, so it is very, very busy. As you can see, guys, it is absolutely rammed. Sorry for getting my finger over the lens. It's difficult doing it on the phone. The comedy carpet is absolutely rammed. You can't even move. We went down, me and Gracie went down there before. Come to the side, sweetheart. There's an ambulance coming through. Oh no. Me and Gracie tried getting on the comedy carpet before. You couldn't even move. Fireworks start around about between 8 and 8:30, so we've got about 10 to 15 minutes. I know previously we've done a video down the prom and you've seen these dragons before on a previous video. They seem to be scaring a few children in the area. It's quite funny though. It's getting a lot of laughs. Gracie seems to enjoy them, and she's jumping at every time that they blow smoke, so it's quite comical.
The dragons are so beautiful. They are bright green and bright orange.
So last 10 minutes to go. Gracie's getting a little bit tired now. Keeps sitting down, but the floor's cold. It is getting a little bit colder, hence the bobble art's gone on. Tower's lovely and lit up. It's a clear night, a good night for fireworks. Let's get this.
It's so pretty.
Nice little light show on the wall of the Blackpool Tower. Camera down. Okay. You want people to see it properly. Okay. That's it. Here we go, guys. for a very long time. You're not confident. Minutes long.